Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. Now, you guys saw my tiddly pots the other day, my video where I showed how to make gorgeous boxes for Hotel Chocolat tiddly pots. Well, Hotel Chocolat I have since discovered, because everybody overseas went, can we get them over here? Yes, you can. So you can order them online, but they make the most incredible chocolates in the world. And this is one of my favourite ones to choose. Now these, you get these lovely little pouches. I mean, mine are 30% off because I went to the factory shop. But they do them in the most incredible flavours that really do taste exactly like they say. And you can mix and match them. You can often buy, I don't know if it's 2 for £10 or 3 for £10, but whatever it is. So this is chocolate with blackcurrant inside. And oh my goodness, it tastes exactly like you've eaten a blackcurrant off the bush. But they make really great gifts. So I have designed a bag specifically for them. And with the new ruffled trim, which I love so much. So I'm going to slip that back over there. Now this one is done with fresh fig. I wanted to go for a sort of a blackcurranty kind of colour, but I didn't want to go blackberry bliss. That was a bit too dark. So I've gone with that one, but I'm actually now going to do a berry burst version of it. Okay, so where's my Simply Stored? Scooch that out of the way. Your cardstock needs to be 10.5 inches by 8 inches, so 26 by 20 centimetres. On the long side, score it at 4, 5, 9 and 10 inches, which in metric is 10, 12.5, 22.5 and 25. Then turn it round and score it at 1 inch. Which is 2.5 centimetres. So that's the sizing of the box. It's, just putting that on the floor. It's 1 inch wide there, it's 4 inches that way, and it is 7 inches in height. Yes, just confirming that. So in metric, it's 2.5 centimetres that way, 10 that way, and I don't know what that is. What's 26 minus 2.5? 23.5. So that's how tall it is. And there is a deliberate reason for this layering here and the sizing of it, but I'll come to that in a minute. Why has it gone a bit dark? Do I need to change my blinds? Right, so let's get this folded. Actually, I probably should have kept those chocolates out. At least I can eat them though. I'm trying to think when I went to the factory outlet shop. I think it was at the end of May. It was possibly at the beginning of June. It was quite some time ago, and I have been so good. I'm filming this a couple of weeks before you're seeing it, but it's July. How good am I? There is a distinct possibility that there were more chocolates due to be filmed that might possibly have been eaten. They brought out this new range called Summer Chill, and what you do, they're lovely on their own, but actually you put them in the fridge and they taste even nicer. Okay, so that's all folded round. So this bit is going to stick on the back, so this becomes the front, and my panels are going to sit on here. Now, this designer series paper is 6 by 6. Let me get the other half of it for you. It's 6 by 6, but I've obviously chopped it in half. But my bag is 7 inches, so it's 15.25 centimetres by 15.25, and mine is 7 inches. So I wanted to get a nice border all the way around. I wanted to bring in some white so that I could do some stamping and it not look so stark. But I've made it just an eighth of an inch bigger. So 6 1/8 of an inch by 3 1/8 of an inch. In metric, that's 15.5 centimetres by 8 centimetres. And this one, 6 by 3, 15 by 7.5 centimetres. And that's going to sit over there. Okay. And I wanted to go with the spots because those particular chocolates, like I say, I will bring them back out again in a second before I seal up. Sorry, I'm putting this on here so I can see my borders because it's a very small border all the way round. Oh, I've stuck it now. That's close enough. It's such a narrow border, I couldn't see it very well. But yes, I wanted the spots because they are little, these ones are actually called blackcurrant bombs. Let me just get them out again. So it was a whole spot thing that was going on. There was method. There's always method behind my designs and reasoning for it. Cute. Okay, let's get some tear and tape down here. Often you will see when I make these kind of boxes that are going to pinch in at the sides, I will put a score line down there. I did with Oliver's box the other day. I'm not on this one because it will naturally stop. It won't go any further because there's a treat inside. So those, gosh, I don't want to put them away, I want to eat them. Just gently pinch to the top and it's not going to go too far. Okay, so brand new ribbon. So we've got this gorgeous ruffled trim in the 5 in colours. Where's the end of it that I can open? There it is. The 5 in colours that have rolled over, the ones that we've already had for a year. We've got them for another year, and this is the one that's got, so all 5 of these have got a matching ruffled trim. The new ones have got this lovely thin ribbon. Okay, I'm resting this against my tummy. There you go. If I bring that out, you can see it. And I love this ruffle trim because there is enough, it's not too wide, but it's wide enough that you could put some tear and tape behind here and stick it to the front of a card without any problem. Okay. Right, now to finish off and do some stamping. So I'm using the Darling Label Punch Kit. So that's the one that comes in the big gorgeous tin. Here. Why is my lighting gone weird? Comes in that big tin with the Darling Label Punch and the stamp set. And it comes with a block, a couple of small ink pads. Perfect. And happy birthday, because I reckon this would be a really nice birthday treat. And also because my 4 amazing boys know that I adore Hotel Chocolat and bought me some treats for my birthday. I might give those to myself. It's not my birthday. I might just enjoy them. Probably ought to photograph them first. Happy birthday, friend. On there. Darling Label Punch. It's just so darling. And then I'm going for the classic weave ribbon in Whisper White because I just want to get a little bit behind the back. So just lay it over to get a rough shape of what, or a rough length. I'm going to bring out my fast fuse because it's fast. I'm going to fold it over in the way that I want it to go. It's about the right length. It's maybe just a smidge too long there. That's better. Dimensionals, where did you go? You were here. Have I put something down on them? Where did they go? It's the kitten come nicking them again. Did you watch my video the other day when I was saying about, oh, I can't find my dimensionals, where she keeps pinching my, I forgot what they're called, Wink of Stella. She keeps pinching them. I'm going to have to manage without dimensionals, but on the front there. Nice little gift. Nope, still can't see those. What do you think? Hotel Chocolat. It's C-H-O-C O-L-A-T, so it's chocolate without the E on the end, made here in Cambridgeshire where I live, which means I live near the factory shop. I can stock up. They make the most amazing things. You can shop online and they do deliver, I believe, overseas. Well, according to everybody who loved my project the other day, yes, they do. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.